Hello friends, welcome to Live Here Do Mathematics. Today we are going to solve another problem from Mapa Higher Algebra book, Exercise-2, page 31, and this is problem number 2, sub-question B. The problem says, examine if the relation rho on the set S is reflexive, symmetric, or transitive. Okay, and the relation is given by, suppose S is equals to the set Z and rho is defined on Z by A related to B if A minus B is strictly less than 3 for all A, B belongs to Z. So we have to check that whether this relation given by A rho B if and only if A minus B less than 3 is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. Okay. Now clearly, so first let us check reflexivity. Reflexive or not. Okay, so let A be any integer, that is A belongs to Z. Then clearly A minus A equals to 0 and 0 is strictly less than 3. So what does this imply? So this implies A is related to A for all A belongs to Z. So the relation is reflexive. Okay, so the relation is reflexive. So this is true. Now we will check symmetry. So let us check symmetry. Okay, if it is symmetric or not. So now to check symmetry, let us take an example. Let A equals to minus 3 and this is belongs to Z. Minus 3 is an integer, we know that. And let us take B equals to 2. Okay, so then what we have A minus B as? Then A minus B is A is minus 3 minus B is 2, that is minus 5, and minus 5 less than 3. So A is related to B. So this implies minus 3 is related to 2. Okay. Now does the converse hold? That is 2 is 2 related to minus 3. We have to check if 2 is related to minus 3, then we say that it is symmetric. So we have to check this. Now 2 will be related to minus 3 if 2 minus 3 less than 3. If this is true. Now is this true? Now 2 minus plus 3 is less than 3. So this implies 5, 2 plus 3, 5 less than 3. So this is impossible. 5 cannot be less than 3. So this is not possible. So 2 row 3 does not hold. Okay. So minus 3 row 2 holds, but 2 row minus 3 does not hold. Hence it is not symmetric. So the relation is not symmetric. Okay. Now we will check for transitivity. Okay, so transitivity, let us check. So A row B if and only if A minus B is less than 3, this is our relation. Okay, so for transitivity, let us take A is equal to 7, B is equal to 5 and C is equal to 3. Okay, then A minus B equals to 7 minus 5 and 7 minus 5 equals to 2 and 2 is strictly less than 3. Hence 7 row 5 holds. Also B minus C equals to 5 minus 3 equals to 2. This is also less than 3. Hence, so 7 row 5 holds and this implies B is 5 and C is 3. So 5 row 3 holds. Okay, look now these two, 7 row 5 holds and 5 row 3 holds. So if we have to prove for transitivity, then we have to show that 7 row 3 holds. Okay, now let us check. 7 minus 3 equals to 4. Okay, and 4 less than 3, this is not true, this is not possible. Hence 7 row 3 does not hold. Okay, though 7 row 5 and 5 row 3 holds, but 7 row 3 does not hold. So this implies row is not transitive. Okay, so transitivity also does not hold. So hence friend, so this relation is reflexive, but not symmetric and not transitive. So thank you friends for watching the video. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to share the video with your friends. And stay tuned with us because we will come back shortly with this kind of video again. And please subscribe the channel because your subscription is our inspiration for making videos. Thank you.